Welcome to Armenia, one of the most underrated investment and expat destinations in the world. You may have never thought about it, but this small, dynamic country in the Caucasus is emerging as a powerful hub for entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and digital nomads looking for opportunities beyond the traditional hotspots. While most people focus on places like Georgia, Dubai, or Eastern Europe, savvy investors are quietly taking advantage of Armenia's booming economy, affordable real estate, and tax-friendly business environment. So why is Armenia the next big opportunity for investors and expats? Stay with me as we dive deep into everything this country has to offer, from business opportunities and tax benefits to residency options and high-yield real estate investments. If you're looking for the next hidden gem, Armenia might just be it. Why Armenia? A rising star in the region, Armenia might not be the first country that comes to mind when you think about financial opportunities, but those who understand emerging markets know that wealth is built where others aren't looking. This country is strategically located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, giving it access to major markets while maintaining an incredibly affordable cost of living and low business costs. Upward trend, fast-growing economy. Armenia has been experiencing strong GDP growth, attracting more businesses, investments, and foreign talent. Bar graph, investor-friendly environment. With an improving ease of doing business ranking, the government is actively encouraging foreign entrepreneurs and expats to settle and invest in the country. Money bag, low cost of living and high quality of life. You can live comfortably in Yerevan, the capital, for a fraction of what you'd pay in Europe or North America. Armenia's business and tax advantages. A haven for entrepreneurs, Armenia is one of the most tax-friendly places for business owners, freelancers, and investors. Here's why. Checkmark, low corporate taxes. The standard corporate tax rate is 18%, but there are special regimes that allow small businesses to pay as little as 1% on revenue. Checkmark, no global taxation. Unlike Western countries, Armenia does not tax worldwide income, making it a great place for expats and digital nomads who earn abroad. Checkmark, simple and fast business registration. You can start a company in as little as 1 day with minimal bureaucracy. Checkmark, free trade agreements. Armenia has strong economic ties with Russia, the Eurasian Economic Union, EAEU, China, and the EU, giving businesses access to multiple markets. For anyone looking to start a business, open an international company, or set up an IT startup, Armenia offers one of the easiest and most cost-effective setups in the region. The real estate market. A hidden goldmine. If you're looking for undervalued property markets with high returns, Armenia should be on your radar. Home, low property prices. Compared to Europe, real estate in Yerevan is incredibly cheap, with high potential for appreciation. Upward trend, strong rental yields. Due to high demand from locals, expats, and digital nomads, rental yields can reach 7–10% annually. Stop sign, no restrictions for foreign buyers. Unlike some countries, foreigners can buy property in Armenia with full ownership rights, no special permits needed. Globe, growing tourism industry. As Armenia becomes more popular for international visitors, Airbnb and short-term rentals are booming, making it a great location for rental investments. For investors looking for stable, income-generating assets, Armenia's real estate sector offers massive opportunities at a fraction of the price compared to neighboring markets. Cost of living. A high-quality life for less. One of the biggest advantages of moving to Armenia as an expat is the extremely low cost of living while maintaining a high standard of life. Fork and knife with plate dining out. A meal at a nice restaurant? $5 to $10. House, renting an apartment. A modern one-bedroom in Yerevan? $400 to $800 per month. Taxi transportation. Taxi rides start at $2. Light bulb, utilities and internet, among the cheapest in the region. Hospital healthcare. Affordable and improving, with modern hospitals and English-speaking doctors. With such a low cost of living, Armenia allows expats to live well on a modest budget while investing their money into wealth-building opportunities. Residency and citizenship. Easy to obtain. Want to live in Armenia long-term? Here's the good news. It's incredibly easy to get residency. Passport control, visa-free entry for many countries. Citizens from the EU, US, Canada, and dozens of other nations can stay visa-free for up to 180 days per year. Home residency by investment. Buying $100,000 worth of real estate can qualify you for a residency permit. Scroll citizenship by descent. If you have Armenian ancestry, you could qualify for fast-track citizenship. Upward trend pathway to citizenship. After just 3 years of residency, you can apply for Armenian citizenship. For investors, digital nomads, or those looking for a backup passport, Armenia's residency and citizenship options are among the most accessible in the world. A safe and welcoming country for expats. Unlike some countries with complicated bureaucracy and closed-off communities, Armenia is extremely welcoming to foreigners. Shield, one of the safest countries in the region. Armenia has a low crime rate and is considered very safe for expats and tourists. Globe, a growing expat and digital nomad community. More remote workers and entrepreneurs are moving here for the benefits. Handshake-friendly and hospitable culture. Armenians are known for their warm hospitality and deep-rooted traditions. For anyone looking to relocate, Armenia offers a safe, stable, and friendly environment that's easy to adapt to. Armenia's tech and startup boom. The next Silicon Valley of the Caucasus. One of Armenia's most exciting developments is its rapidly growing tech sector, which has been nicknamed the Silicon Valley of the Caucasus. Over the last decade, Armenia has become a regional hub for startups, IT companies, and software development, attracting both local entrepreneurs and international investors. PC booming tech industry. Armenia's tech sector has been growing at a rate of 20-25% annually, outpacing many other industries. Rocket-strong government support. The Armenian government offers grants, tax incentives, and startup incubators to promote innovation and attract talent. Global reach. Many Armenian startups are expanding internationally, securing funding from venture capital firms in Silicon Valley and beyond. Light bulb IT and engineering talent. Armenia has a highly skilled workforce in software development, cybersecurity, and AI, making it an ideal place for tech investment. One of Armenia's biggest success stories is PixArt, a globally recognized photo editing app with over 150 million active users. Other promising startups in fintech, AI, and blockchain are making waves internationally. For investors looking for high growth potential, Armenia's tech ecosystem presents massive opportunities, from angel investing in startups to launching a business in the thriving IT space. And the best part? The country's tax-friendly policies and low operational costs make it one of the best places to build and scale a tech business. Banking and financial benefits. A strategic wealth hub, Armenia also offers a strong and stable banking sector, which is another reason why many investors and expats are moving their money here. Bank easy account opening. Foreigners can open personal and business bank accounts in Armenia remotely or with a simple visit. Credit card multi-currency accounts. Armenian banks allow you to hold multiple currencies, including USD, EUR, and GBP, making it great for international business. Shield strong privacy and asset protection. Armenia has strict banking confidentiality laws, providing a safe haven for investors who value financial privacy. Downward trend, no exchange rate manipulation. The Armenian dram is a free-floating currency, meaning there's no artificial manipulation like in some neighboring countries. With low banking fees, high-interest deposit accounts, and a stable financial system, Armenia is quietly becoming a great place to diversify assets and protect wealth. Armenia versus other expat and investment hotspots. You might be wondering, how does Armenia compare to other popular expat and investor destinations? Let's take a quick side-by-side comparison of Armenia with other well-known investment-friendly countries. Round pushpin Armenia versus Georgia. 1. Both have low taxes and easy business registration, but Armenia offers lower real estate prices and stronger banking privacy. 2. Georgia is more developed for tourism, while Armenia is an emerging market with untapped potential for early investors. Round pushpin Armenia versus Dubai, UAE. 1. Dubai has 0% income tax, but Armenia offers lower business costs, real estate prices, and cost of living. 2. Dubai requires expensive residency programs, while Armenia offers residency with just a $100,000 real estate investment. Round pushpin Armenia versus Portugal. 1. Portugal has high-quality infrastructure, but real estate prices have skyrocketed, making it less attractive for investors looking for undervalued properties. 2. Armenia offers similar tax-friendly incentives with lower startup and investment costs. Round pushpin Armenia versus Latin America, Mexico, Colombia, Panama. 1. Latin America is popular for digital nomads, but Armenia is closer to Europe and offers a safer environment with less political instability. 2. Armenia's financial and legal systems are more straightforward, with fewer bureaucratic hurdles. Armenia is not yet on the mainstream radar, which makes it one of the last remaining hidden gems for early investors and expats. Those who act now will benefit before the world catches on. Final thoughts. Should you invest in Armenia? By now, you can see why Armenia is quickly becoming a hidden gem for investors and expats. Checkmark low taxes and business-friendly policies. Checkmark affordable real estate with high rental yields. Checkmark cost of living that lets you enjoy life without overspending. Checkmark residency and citizenship options that are easy to obtain. Checkmark a safe, welcoming country with growing opportunities. Armenia is still undiscovered by the mainstream, meaning now is the perfect time to invest before prices rise. So, what do you think? Is Armenia on your radar now? Would you consider investing or moving there? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Fire if you found this video valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investment opportunities around the world.